Here we go. Alright, front row Candymonium, you ready?
Yeah.
Yo, Dad, you ready? Front row Candymonium. Let's go, baby! Candymonium front row!
Why is that more intimidating?
Look, lift out.
Yeah. The back was fine. Now this is like...
I'm not intimidated, I'm a man! Oh, it's speeding up.
That did just pick up.
It just sped up. Skyrush? Nah. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Front row candy, baby! Let's go! Woo! Whoa! It's full tractor! Whoa! Here we go! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Whoa!
Dude, my shirt came out.
No, no! Let's go! Oh my god! It's so good! It's so good! Oh my god! It is! Alright, you ready for this? I'm recording. You ready for this? Second time. Back row Candymonium. The last time we did this in back row. Only one time. So this is our...
They know I got on enough time.
Yeah.
This is the only one I really don't remember like that.
That's what I'm saying. Let's go! Oh man.
What time was it?
That was all I was saying.
Oh yeah, it was pitch black when we got on this last time. I forgot.
Yep. Here we go, baby!
This is a lot higher than I remember.
Yeah, I think it's over, yeah, it's over, definitely over 200 feet. It's a hyper coaster, I know that. Yep.
Oh, this is fast.
That's what I'm saying, the lift was fast. Here we go! Woo! Candymonium! Woo! Whoa! Whoa, this airtime is crazy! The airtime is crazy! Whoa! Chimps! Whoa! Whoa! Bill! Whoa! Really, baby! Wave turn! Whoa! Trip! Whoa! 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 That was good. They're still going. That was good.
Yeah, it was good. I had some nice hang time with it.
Yeah, hang time, air time is good on this.